cooking, food friends. This is Erica. Today we're going to do our vegan version of the pulled pork sandwich. We're going to use oyster mushrooms. So these mushrooms are already washed and drained. And so you're going to take a cluster of your mushrooms and peel the strips off. Like this. So you start at the little base of the mushroom where it fans out. That way you could peel it a whole lot easier. See how I'm going? You want it to look like pulled pork. There you go. Gotta look like that. So once it look like that, we're gonna put our seasonings on there. So we're gonna start with that onion powder. So you can season it to your liking. And we're gonna add our paprika. We want that color to be red so it can look like the real deal. And then we got another rub seasoning. So got a roasted garlic and herb rub seasoning. So you could put your rub seasonings of your choice. I just used a little tablespoon of that. And then I did like a half a cap full of that liquid smoke, which will be like a half a teaspoon or so. Just a little goes a long way with this stuff. So don't put too much on there. So with all that, we're going to mix it in with our hands to get the mushrooms all massaged and seasoned. And there you go. Keep it going. And some of them might not be all the way peeled, so refine it. But in the meantime, I'm going to use a capful, a tablespoon of canola oil, put it in my pan, so heat my pan up while I continue to massage the stuff. Get that pan ready. And you might find little clumps in there. Fix it. Strip it up. Pull it off. So, then we're going to add that to the pan. So your pan should be sizzling at this point. And it don't take long for this because it's mushrooms. So we're going to do it, saute it for like a good 3 minutes or until wilted. Now. So it's starting to wilt. Now we're at the point to where you can add your sauce. So you can get you some barbecue sauce of your choice. And put it on in there. Mix it in and then it's ready. It's go time now. Place it on your bun. And there you have it. Your Shroom barbecue sandwich. Your pulled shroom barbecue sandwich. There we go. Don't that look good? It was. So we got a second version. Homemade vinegar-based sauce. So I like this type of barbecue sauce. So you're gonna get you some tablespoon of vegan butter, melt that butter. So we'll make a little small portion of this sauce. And then you can use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You see how I got that? Gonna salt I'm just using the last little bit of that salt. Teaspoon or so. And then we're going to pepper it. Like pepper it. And then the main ingredient is the cayenne pepper. So we're going to do a half a tablespoon of that. It's not hot. It may seem like it is, but not too hot. So we're going to let that mix that in a little and let it simmer down a little. Look at me making a mess. Let it simmer a little bit. And then you could drizzle that over your shrooms. So we're ready to plate it again. Assemble time. So there I gave you two versions of the same pulled shroom sandwich. Hope you enjoy, and check this out. I am ready. There you have it. And I added a little side of vegan coleslaw. Got your pulled shroom barbecue sandwich right up in the mix now. So like this video, and Melanie, what's cooking, girl?